Our booths were 22 years old. We were having a significant amount of dirt and debris that were getting in the paint jobs, and we were maintaining them regularly, every month. We decided that because of that, we knew we could get cleaner paint work. We also felt like if we could get more items in the booth at one time, that we can, not only increase our cycle times on the jobs, but we could just be more efficient and produce more cycles out of the paint booths. Honestly, we didn't need to change our paint department. We just needed a bigger booth, a bigger spray zone. We needed better lighting, and the fact that we have the mixing room and the vestibule all tied together really makes it a clean environment. And it's simple. It's very simple. And that's what I liked about it the most. Dwayne was very good about telling me day to day what was going to happen. I mean, he told me today that the booths would show up. He told me what we'd have on site. I didn't have to do any of the unloading of the equipment or anything. It just showed up, and the construction to assembly crew was on site at that time. So they grabbed our forklift and they unloaded everything themselves. And he told me this is going to take 2 weeks. And everything was clockwork. I think we're going to be able to paint more cars. I think we're going to do less buffing. Less buffing is less of a burden on our paint department, so it's going to cut down overhead a little bit in the paint department. In addition to the materials that you use when you color sand and buff, which are very, very expensive. I would say the size and the brightness of it. To have something new, clean, and bright, it kind of sets the tone for your workday. I couldn't be any happier with the quality of the booths.